Okay, yeah, we'll be done.
Just 2 people at a time. The little alcohol sterile units are right there, and just walk in that door to the clean room.
Every time I went to your classroom.
I'm telling you, man. You send them all.
Oh,
Yeah, just,
okay.
well, they're going to wipe their hands, they'll go, and the next 2, and the next 2. He's like, you got to get him, you got to pay him back.
I am. I went, when he was teaching at Aiden Grifton, I tried to get his class so many times.
Did they? I thought you guys had safety glasses.
No.
They didn't give you no safety glasses over there?
Yeah, but they didn't tell us to bring them.
Oh, all right, we ain't got time, so let's go.
Oh, y'all don't have no glasses.
I know, don't shh. Because see, Alvin told me they were going to give you safety glasses. They're in there harassing them. See, I thought they were going to have safety glasses, but it goes so quick.
It's alright, he's got his own glasses on the door.
Yeah, but see, Alvin, you said you gave him safety glasses. Didn't you give him safety glasses?
You got one on his head.
Yeah.
That one does.
So I used to use big goggles, but they would steam up and they couldn't see nothing. At one time, I got these little tables I put in there to make little robots. And the robot, if you put a marker on a table, it'll follow it. And I'm like, oh, I can't do that because some caught on that could solder, some didn't.
She didn't get hers.
I know, I just asked her. She said, they didn't tell us to bring them over here. Okay, next group.
You failed.
Who's got the air particle counter? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, she got one, I think.
Yeah, they're not very fashionable, I will tell you that. Check the particle counter. See, I usually have people wear safety goggles. I thought they had them, but that's okay. I'll make the next group wear their goggles.
Are you getting counts?
0?
That's good.
Yeah, they're not.
Because that air's pushing down. So even if they don't have their goggles on, it's still producing.
Can you hear it running?
Hear it? Hear that?
Did you press the little square button? Yeah.
I got a little radio, but I don't know if it's on or not. No, it ain't starting.
Yeah, it's not starting. Here, I'll tell you what, I'll meet you at the door.
Turn it on. Mm-hmm. Can't see. Should be an on button. There should be an on button.
Here, use
Turn
this
it on.
one. I think that one's been
Right down the front.
freezing,
Right in the front.
so,
No, in the front panel. Nope.
She just handed one quick.
Oh, okay. Just
Yeah.
they're working one. But I usually set up tables,
Oh, it's in.
and I have the students work on many different projects, and then we do air purification testing, and the solution, because I can make that little machine there. I just didn't feel like I had enough time with the representatives that you could see the laminar flow coming down, the pressure. They told me, see that light blinking? We got that leak from those filters because of the silicone seal around the bottom, and it will not hold 100%. So I was getting about 125 particles per million with 6
Are the
students
counts
in
going
there.
down? Good.
And look,
Did the seal get irritated by somebody changing the filter out? Or?
I don't know. I see the county owns the buildings, and they're supposed to change them out, and they just haven't done it. And I had to go through all summer knowing I had a semi-sterile environment, but I still had to go, you know. I mean, it's still.
Typically, whoever that person is probably the lowest person on
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Again,
On the ladder. Whoever's got to.
this isn't something typical for a school. You know, like
Yeah.
like the fact that we have an actual clean room, like most of the time it's just for
That's right.
demonstration.
Yeah.
And you pretend like it's a clean room.
But
the
she can
fact
bring
that they-
cultures in there.
Yeah.
She can bring companies in here that want to say they want to do a product testing or something. When it's right, then it's real. They can do. We used to do it across the river where we had another clean room because that was a incubator for
Yeah,
new companies
that looks
coming
fine.
in.
It's done. It's done. That looks about right.
What
it's
is
a
it?
little high, like 300.
Yeah.
But it's definitely, you can tell it's definitely lower than what we were getting out here.
Oh, well, for
And
sure.
if we got, if we have a couple minutes, we'll run into the cell culture lab, and I'll just turn that one on, and you can see under the
Yeah,
hood. we
she'll
don't
show
have
you
any
the
count.
true process, what it's supposed to be. Because I get on them. I'm like, you guys have got to fix this. I want to teach the students the right way, but I don't want to simulate it because this is real, and they got to
They
learn it.
automatically think that they're for the environment, they see a red light, they're good. What if they do
Exactly,
it
that's
inside,
right. And that thing's beeping too, so it'll drive you nuts.